Hi everyone! Here's the new nail art design, which is pretty quick and beautiful. Start with a base coat and let it dry. Next step is to apply glittery nail polish in all of your nails. Let's create some white swipes, kind of thick brush strokes in white color. I'm using nail polish, but you can also use acrylic paint if that's easier for you. Once it's dried, let's apply the same technique but using a different color. I'm using a strong fuchsia color for this double swipe effect. It kinda looks like candy. Once it has dried up, let's seal our design with top coat. And that's it! It's really easy to do, and you can play around with different colors. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, please share to support this channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.